सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello folks, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. In today's class, we'll learn how to create a backdrop design using CorelDRAW. So basically today we'll learn how to create a backdrop banner design using CorelDRAW. So I create a new document. So my size is 50 feet into 25 feet and then I press OK. This is a huge size backdrop design. So I drag guideline from scale ruler and x-axis will be 0.1 49, right? Here is my guideline to guide my text fonts. I make a rectangle, then go to shape tool and select this one and shift this one and drag this for create a rounded corner. So here I change the color into red, outline none, and I just Ctrl C, Ctrl V, I mean copy and paste and drag this round rectangle to bottom of my page. Then I create another rectangle and fill the same color and outline will be none. After that I want to make a triangle. So for triangle I go to polygon tool and three sides I want to make, right? I make a triangle. I want to rotate this triangle, so I go to rotation. I rotate it 270 degree. So here is 270 degree and I set this rectangle with my document guide. This is easy. Then I press Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V for paste. Basically I make so many rectangles. I make so many rectangles here, right? Then what I do, I just want to put image inside the rectangle. So what I do, I import some images here. I import 5 images here, the big triangle. So what I do, I just copy and paste the triangle one and drag this triangle to my image and I select whole the image and triangle, intersect it. Just delete the triangle and delete the big one and just drag and drop here. Now what I do, I just want to blending this image with the red one. So I select the image one and then go to transparency tool, and in transparency tool there is some image, this option is called blending modes. I just click on multiply. So look how it look. Then I put these four image inside the triangle. So what I do, I just applying same type like copy and paste and drag this triangle and resize the image and triangle here, select both of the image and triangle and intersect them and delete the outline and delete the big image and drag this image into this one. So this is so easy, right? And I applying same things in 3. Okay, that's cool. After intersecting the image, I want to select this rectangle and this one and this one. I mean these 3 rectangle and increase the outline into 10. Yes, it's good. And now what I do, I select all these triangles and except this one and that one, and size will be none, outline none. Okay, so here is my design, right? So next step is I want to write some content here. So for content I go to type tool and just write down and change the text alignment into right and change the font face into Futura PT bold. And now I want to give some leading space between lines, so that's why I go to shape tool and give some leading here, right? And drag this to here. Fine. Then I want to write something here now I want to logo my logo DGVidya logo paste here. So therefore I go to file and import the logo, and I have a vector logo. I made this logo using Adobe Illustrator, so you can import a .ai file direct here. There is no issue in CorelDRAW. So this is so simple to use Illustrator alongside with CorelDRAW. So here I press my logo here. Then I want to place some social media icons here. So therefore I go to file and import some social media icons. So I need some social media icons. I need SVG files. I select these three logo and resize this. Okay, after applying the social media site, I want to write down something, and I want to change the font face into the blacklist, and change the font color into white, and change the font into future ability bold, and change the color into white. Okay, so here is my backdrop design. If you guys like our design, so please like and subscribe our channels. Thank you. Thanks for watching.